Making headers with Adobe Firefly should really be the last thing that you're worrying about for your portfolio, but if you're going to use them, let's make sure that they look good. This page does show you that we don't want the background to have any color in it, and you have to make adjustments so you don't get all this extra stuff in here. So going to Adobe Firefly, and go to firefly.adobe.com or get there by Creative Cloud, and we're talking about the text effects that are right here. We're going to be typing the text that we want right here. I'll just use header as an example, and then you type some words. There are plenty of examples on here that people have made. You can see here's rubber bands. So let's try that. Rubber bands, and you can even add colors, blue and white, and generate. And the first thing that you generate is not going to have the settings that we want. And you can see here all those extra little pieces. So if you like this look, then you can just change that to tight. You can use these fonts that are right here. This one is going to be awfully wide, and if you have long words you want to fit in tighter, then you can use something narrow. There are plenty of fonts on here that we don't want to use. The parts that are really skinny on these fonts are not going to really show this amazing texture that it's got. So let's just keep the one that we have right now, or maybe switch to this one, and then hit generate a second time. Now you have 4 to choose from, and as you click on them, it will generate them again. But it's not changing them, so you can go back to the first one if you like. So you find one that you like, and then you download it. I think it's best practice if you do have 2 letters that are the same in your words, then getting a second one is going to give you the opportunity to then replace one letter with one from another image. So I'm going to download 2. That's usually what I do. I find 2 that I like, and I download both of those. And now as it is, it'll actually work for your header, but make sure they don't stay in downloads. You need to keep these in your 3D modeling project folder. I'm just going to expand these so I'll be able to drag them over. You can see I've got my, digital portfolio project folder. And I've made a folder here for Firefly graphics just so it doesn't clutter up my main digital portfolio project folder. Okay, because these are generated with Firefly. So I got both of those. I can add them pretty much as is to my portfolio. I'll make another video on how to use Photoshop to really make those look their best. You'll see that there is black around it. That is the transparency, and again, that lets you change backgrounds in your portfolio and change your mind about what colors are going to go there.